Today I'm going to showcase the Honeybee Stamps Farmers Market Cart add-on. I just love these die cuts. They are super adorable, and what they pair with is the Honeybee Stamps Cart Builder. So you can build a cart and then you add these die cuts to make your farmer's market cart. This cart also you can make flowers with. Another great thing for Mother's Day. Now, what I like about Honeybee stamps, their die cuts, is we don't have to cut away anything with wire cutters. I just think that is wonderful. So today I am just going to make a card only using these die cuts and not the add-on. We'll do that another day. Another tip I want to share with you when you're cutting your dies is to use your scrap paper. And since these are little dies, you can cut a lot one time through without having to, put all these dies through one at a time. So this is a great way to do your dies through your die machine and save yourself time. I've gotten out my mat so I can use Distress Ink Vintage Photo to add a little bit of dimension to the sign and make it look older, and also bring the letters to be more dominant on the paper. And we will continue to work with the letters later. Then I will use tea dye to Distress Ink the signs, and you'll see the words like veggie and seeds and fruit pop out, but we'll make those pop out further later in the video. This just gives the signs a more weathered look. On one of the seed bags, I will use the tea dye just to give a little accent to some of the elements and to go around the corners of it. And then I will pull my Vintage Photo back to distress the buckets to put in our veggies. Next, I'm taking a scrap piece of cardstock and cutting it down 5 1/4 by 4 inches. For my Distress Oxides, I will be using peacock feathers. I think it's going to make a nice bright sky. You could also mask off and put clouds in the sky, but I really wanted it to be an upbeat, fun day. And I'm just putting a piece of cardstock down here to keep the ink off my fingers as we blend. I will not go all the way down the page of the card because I want to use the mowed lawn on the card to give it the effect of grass. And on this one, I'm going to use a very small blending brush to put down the mowed grass onto the card. And I'm only bringing up part of the way because I don't really want to mix the two, and you'll see when you assemble the card it will be a lot easier to just see how it blends in together. And I'm going to use a smaller brush just to get right in there and get the peacock feathers put down so it's close to the line of the green for the grass. One of the reasons I like to use this little mat is I can just quickly wipe it up, take it away, and have my workspace to work on. And now let's start by assembling our little signs. Now here is the trick to make your letters really pop on those signs. I'm going to take a Copic multi-line card, and because these are indented in, you just easily trace around the letters. It goes very smoothly. You're not using your own handwriting. You are just emphasizing the letters on each of the signs, and this makes them stand out on your card, and it's just something that you can do really quick. If you enjoyed this video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up, and I thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you can spread joy by making a card for someone today. Thanks again.